Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Panasonic GH5, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up Master Pedestal Level. So, Master Pedestal Level you can find in menu, then scroll up to Video Manual, and here you can see Master Pedestal Level. So this level helps you to adjust the black level or brightness of the shadows in your footage. When you set it to 0, it means no adjustment is applied to the black level. By increasing it to a positive value, a maximum value is 15, for example, it will rise the black level, making the shadows brighter, but decreasing it up to negative value, so it will lower the black level, making the shadows darker. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.